So today is February 1st, birthday ni Kiana. Pupunta muna tayo ng Home Depot bago daw kakain. Siguro mag-gym pa ako. 8 o'clock pa naman ang celebration. So 8 o'clock. So birthday ni Kiana, birthday rin ni Mama. So sabay sila ni Mama, birthday ni Mama ngayon. Tsaka ni birthday rin ni Kiana. So February 1 ngayon. And sa Pilipinas February 2. Sabay sila. So dito tayo sa Home Depot. Oh. Okay, nandito na tayo sa location. So today is February 1. I-celebrate natin yung birthday ni Kiana dito sa California. Ano na siya ngayon? 25 na ba siya? Yeah, 25. Doon tayo sa Tantalum. Ayun o. Doon tayo. So birthday rin ng nanay ko. Happy birthday, Mama. Okay. Okay, dyan tayo. Dyan tayo kakain sa birthday ni Kiana. Long Beach location. Habang inaantay natin sila, wala pa sila mag 8 o'clock, 8 ng gabi ang ating dinner. So wala pa sila, antayin natin. Bili muna tayo ng flowers ni Kiana. This one is okay. Ano lang. Yeah, dito na tayo. Dyan kay Kiana. Daraw sila. Dyan tayo. Okay.
Just be careful of those lights. Sometimes they get hot past the balloons. Ano sa'yo? Yung steak?
Ano tayo? Si Roy. busog na ako. Mag-tea ako mamaya. Masyadong sarap yung steak. Ayun. Sarap. So, kailangan ko ng tea. Parang maganda itong lugar na ito. Kaya ng green tea with lemon. Para nakakahilo yung karne. Hilo ako. Yeah, thank you.
Shut up! Oh my god! I tried on. It's genuine leather. Besides, genuine. I've never had genuine leather. I don't know if the first one.
Regalo niya.
So now you have two, but that one is leather.
Kaya na, pili tayo. Mag-chat tayo, tea. Bye, ingat. There are flowers. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kiana.
Happy birthday, Kiana. Happy birthday. Diba? Kapatihan si So, palis na kami.
Kiana, picture dito. 70 plus?
Hindi ka video, hindi ka nanta. Ay, she should.
I know, it's just
Yeah, mas maganda pag may light.
Kasi dyan mag-photography ka na lang na.
Yung pala, oo nga pa. What the heck is that? Andiyan, saan mo kinuha? Eh, alis na kami.
Oh yeah, actually, Dad, you need it.
Diretso na kayo sa
Hey,
ano?
Dad, looking for your vlog. You had it.
Ha?
How do you turn it on?
It's, sinta. Lino, oh. Kinayabit. Kinayabit. Jel, dadalhin ko sa Pilipinas yan, ha?
Can I have a car?
May kama yung car ko eh. You like my car, huh?
Your mirror thing fell down, you know?
Oh, I know.
I was driving, dude, I was driving Dad's car, the mirror thing, you know, for the mirror in the middle, just falls on me, bruh. I was like, I thought it was a ghost.
Ninugulat ka.
Yeah, I got scared.
Okay, that's it. Okay, babush. Yan ang birthday ni Kana. Babush.